Happy Tuesday. Welcome to RW Embroidery and Crafts. So today I am working on ornaments. These are mostly for Christmas gifts that I'll be giving to my family, made by me. So these are the supplies. I have a disposable syringe. I use these cups to turn my ornaments upside down so they can drain. And this is what I use to coat the ornaments, okay? And then I have these little tubes of glitter. And they're small enough where I can use each one for each ornament. So, and I still have some left over, so. Okay. And these are the flat plastic ornaments I'll be using. And then it's like a couple of parts to this because I have to let these drain. But I'm going to try to do 2 parts. So this will be the first part. So I got these from Amazon. I got them last year. So they're plastic, very durable. And then the top, we end up gluing it on to the ornament so it'll stick, okay? Because I did put it on there without gluing it and the whole thing fell off. So make sure you glue the top of this to that. And okay, so let's get started. So let me open this. I should have had it open already, sorry. Because I know some people say they use, what do you call it? The stuff you do to wax the floor with. I can't think of the name of it right now. So I also got these from Amazon. Got a whole package of them. So basically what I do is, for me, I just stick my syringe in here and pull up, fill the tube. Okay. Oops. And then I take the syringe and I squirt this. I don't really use all of it. I think that should fill about a couple of them. And then I just rotate it to make sure it coats the whole ornament. Ugh. This is really sticky for me. I am one of them people that don't like sticky. I did bring some gloves in here, but of course I did not put them on. So you try to roll it around all the way to the top. Try to cover the whole ornament so the glitter can stick. Okay, I think I got it all. And then basically what I do is I take one of these little cups and then I let this drain. Okay. Yes, it is not sturdy. Usually I put 2 in there. So I'm going to do another one right quick. Coat it. You don't really need a lot to coat it. You really don't. And these ornaments right here, I'm just going to put, oops, see, there we go. I'm going to personalize it with, sorry, give me a second, with names. And then I'm going to throw this ribbon on the top. I think it's gonna be really cute. Okay, so usually I just double them up like that so it's steady. And then let them drain. Clean up my mess. Okay, so some people let them drain overnight. Actually, I am not, just because of this for this film. I will not be letting it drain overnight. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the glitter in them. So let's see. It still probably needs some draining, but we're good. And I think I'm going to do this one. You know what? I'm not going to shake it. I'm going to pour it in. This yellow is really pretty. I'm not a glitter person either. Ugh. It's messy for me. I guess I'm a girly girl. I'm not messy. I don't like mess. And then you take the glitter in there and you just roll it around like you did the liquid so it can cover everything. For me, the hardest part is getting it at the top. That's the hardest part for me. See, like this space right here. I want to cover it. Oop. And that's what I end up doing, getting glitter all over the place because I want to cover it. And I got it. I think I got it. This is kind of light. Shake it over the cup. And then I'll just let all the glitter come out. I'm going to do another one. And let's see. I'm going to do this one with one of these little bitty ones. And I just put the whole thing in there because it's so small. And then I spin it around. This one's really thick. I like this one. Really, really thick. This is going to be a quick video. Like I said, getting it to get to the top for me is the hardest. And look at me make a mess. See, I make a mess with this glitter. I really do. This one did pretty good. It covered really good. Really dark blue. So, okay. So these are the names that I'm going to put on them. This is just my family, so I guess I can do one. I can do one ornament. Give me 1 second. Okay, so this one's not dry, but I just wanted to put a ornament on there. So this is my husband's name. So I'm gonna place this, let's see, kind of like in the middle. And of course I made these names with my Cricut. Where's my, and I'm gonna transfer it over. do. Let's see. Oh, okay, there we go. I pull mine slow because sometimes don't stick good. Okay. Oh, I forgot to take that off. Oh well. Let's see if I can do it. Yeah, left that little part off in the H. Let's see. Got it. Okay. So, and then I'm going to go ahead. I have this little tool that I got with my glue. This is the glue that I use. But it's really messy for me. So I just stick. You don't. See, when it comes out, it comes out. I just throw some on here. See, when it comes out, it don't stop coming out. It oozes out. And then I just take my little tool. I don't even know what this tool is. It came with my with the glue. But it works for me. It's perfect for me because it's very convenient. Yep. I just try to get it in all these little grooves. Okay. That is good enough for me. Put this top back on because like I said, it'll ooze all over the place. Okay. And this, I like to bring mine. These are they're not very well made. It's like they made it out of aluminum foil. But I like to bring this up all the way to the top. Like that. I like mine like that. And then I just put it on there like this, and then I let it dry. There we go. And then I'm gonna throw some, once it dry, I'm gonna wrap a little ribbon around there in a bow, and that's it. All right. So for people I just did this for a lot of people asking how to do these ornaments on Facebook. So I decided that I was going to do some. So I said I might as well videotape it. It's not the best video, but it'll get you started. So thank you for watching R&W Embroidery, and you guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye.